And hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. Please hit like and subscribe. This is Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. Today we're going to do a very special project for Steve Foco. Yay! Thank you, Dino. Yay! That's hard on my voice. Okay, Uncle Al does these raw, and I'm doing a series right now before I go on my regular projects and also my other weird rants of next month. But Merry Christmas to everybody. Enjoy the holidays. Enjoy New Year's, because when January comes around, all hell breaks loose. Now, first of all, Merry Christmas, Steve. And don't play with knives. Okay? Today we're going to make a buddy burner. This is our project. Let's see. Yeah, blogs, FTS project for Steve Foco. A bunny burner is from the Girl Scouts. We take a tuna can. Okay, I think that's tuna. Or cat food. Nope, tuna. I can't see. Uncle Alan's half blind, Steve. Yeah, that's tuna, not cat food. And then I probably eat cat food. Oh well. Anyway, you take one of these cans, they're really strong, and you have a lid opening. Okay, can opener that opens the top for the lid so you can reuse it again, which is really good. Then you take some cardboard, and then you line it up, and you, after you eat all the contents in it, you put pieces of corrugated cardboard inside in a nice spiral pattern, easy as pie. Or if you want to get a bigger burner, the Boy Scout model, that's chicken. Okay, I hope it's chicken, not dog food. Nope, chicken. Okay. And then you have the tuna. Big difference. Okay, same principle. And then again, with the lid right here and the side opening can opener, that helps out. Now, once you get that all done, Steve, and you eat that and all the contents put cardboard in them, next step is you want to make 6 or 8 or how many you need. I tell most people if you're by yourself, maybe 6. Okay, Hubbles Cat's probably going to make another Tuesday fun video. Right. All right, Uncle On's old and he's doing these crafts video. I gotta do one for Hubbles Cat. But like I said, he's doing pandemic series, so please check it out in January. I can't remember what the heck he's doing this week, or he's celebrating Christmas. But he's a socialist, so it's iffy. But please check out Hubbles Cat's channel. Today, I think, just in time prepping Will Russell's channel. He's doing his story time thing. It's really good story time. I read the book. That's on Tuesday. And then tomorrow is Wednesday morning. Come stop on by, bring your coffee. It's probably going to be about 3 hours. Stop on by and check out Will. Bring friends. If you're a survivalist, prepper, bushcrafter, gun guy, any of those, and everybody else, Will welcomes everybody. And check out his channel. Now, back to the project, making buddy burners. We got the lid, we got the can, we got the material. Next thing, I'm not opening these and doing it, is saving this. This is microwave homestyle butter mashed potatoes for my survival bag. And this, why I save these? Because I saved the container. Why? Because I learned this from a prison inmate. Uncle Aslan hasn't been into prison. He knows a lot of people that were in prison. A lot of motorcycle people. And a lot of drug dealers and gun dealers. Gun smugglers. Not gun dealers. No. Okay. Now you save this. and you get candle, Voltaire or Christmas candle, Lily in the Wild. Check out her channel. You get that, and you get a pocket knife. Now, a lot of people know that Uncle Alan carries a pocket knife, and you shave it off, start whittling it down, and put it in the empty container. Now, once it's empty, this lid will come off and everything else. You cover it with shavings of the candle wax, cover with a piece of saran wrap, microwavable, and you put it in about 30 seconds until all the wax inside melts. This is a lot safer than Will Russell's method of putting in a pan and over heat or boiling water over a gas stove. That's a good way of saying Will Russell, Human Torch. This way is safer and easier for a lot of kids. Now, you pour in the molten wax over the cardboard. Okay. Cardboard that's lined inside the can. And that's it, boys and girls. Let's give out a big shout out to Steve Foco. Hey, Steve. Okay, make sure to check out his channel. He's playing with knives today. I would use the blade. It's a nice blade, or I wouldn't baton it or do anything stupid. It's like batoning with this. But with a broken blade, what you can do, Steve, is take the broken blade and put it on a big garden stake or broomstick. It makes a hefty, nice little spear at close range. And I don't think anybody with a machete is be crazy enough to go after a guy with a broomstick with a broken, cheap kitchen knife blade going, yeah, come on. Okay, easiest part. Uncle Alan has solutions, and Uncle Alan knows a lot of weird things. Okay, again, let's give a big shout out to Bethany. Darn it, went over 5 minutes again. Bethany, my favorite gamer. Hey, Bethany, you might want to try out this little gizmo. I would use the tuna can method. Okay, Hubble's cat, meow. Check out his channel. I forgot what the heck you're doing. Random lady. Okay, you need about 6 of these, and the lid stays on with the can after you use it, which is really good. It produces heat. I got another project for you, but I can't remember it. It's one of these and a flower pot, and it's supposed to be a portable space heater. Now, if you do it wrong, in the news we had one guy who did it, caught his truck on fire. He was sleeping in his camper and burned to death. So I got to still figure out that one out. Random Lady 1989. So I got to still figure out the, this one with the heater unit. I got to remember. Rob Painless. Hey, Rob. Oh, yeah. And a lot of you guys, if you live in Tennessee, let's see, punched out the calculation. Around Thursday, half of Tennessee will get a horrible heavy rains and high winds. Do not fly this weekend or next. It's dangerous as hell. And if you live in Tennessee, watch out for falling planes. Oh, also tornadoes. I'm still working on the numbers right here. Got my paperwork. Okay. Yeah, hopefully Myra TCK, you got the Christmas package. Sorry, Uncle Alan's broken, half blind, half nuts. West Wind Survival. Hey, Wayne, good series. I hope I see another one. Let's see. Dash Out. Inside Freedom. Yeah, unfortunately, a lot of preppers aren't that good. Real disappointing to Uncle Al. Sue Nelson. Jordan Jakenberg. I hope you're alive. Haven't heard from you. Could be the aliens. Or you, I can't remember. You celebrate Christmas early. Could be that. Inspired John. We think you're on drugs again. Okay, let's see. I think that's about it for right now. Uncle Alan's getting a little tired and we're running out of time. So I'll catch you later, boys and girls. Please, I can't find a pointer. Like and subscribe to old Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. Bye.